So in this video we will talking about assignment operators in JavaScript. So let's start with our assignment. Okay, so in JavaScript we have more than four types of this assignment operators, and we gonna use this equal operator, plus equal operator, minus equal operator, multiply equal and divide equal operator, and modulo equal operator. And this is something like this. Example, if we have x equal to y, so we say x equal y, and assignment operator plus operator, so we say x plus equal y, and that is also equal to x plus y. And we will see actually this concept. Let's try to understand this concept. So what is the assignment operator? Say if we have an x is equal 1, and then we need x to be incrementing by the value of plus 1. So what we're gonna do is x plus 1, okay, like this. So what is another way to do this expression? And let's just test first this. So opening cmd, cd documents, directory, and name of our html file. So index.html. First test this. Okay, so we don't have any save command given for this, so we'll save command giving, and index.html, and when do F12, so we got this x2. But what is the another way to do this? So the another way to do this by using the assignment operator. So we how to do this assignment operator? So we say x equal 1, and then we say x plus equal 1. So we are increasing the value of x by 1 unit. So by 1 unit we will increase our value. So we have to put the name of variable, and then we're gonna use operator, and we actually see in the last part we actually see plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulo operator. So we're gonna use this name operator and the value. So in this case name of my variable is x, and we're gonna use this plus operator, this plus, and the value in which we gonna increasing is 1. So we'll say name operator and equal to this value. So x plus equal 1. That's why we use this. Okay, and there is another way to do this, and that is by saying this way, x equal x plus 1. So this is another way to do this, but x plus equal 1, that is preferring more. And let's just test for more values. So say x plus equal 3, and we have an 11. So what we have done is increasing the value of 3 by 3 units. So saying console.log of x, control s for saving, running our HTML command, and F12. So we got this 14, and let's test it for our few more values. So now saying alert, and this x, and now we're gonna use minus operator. So this will decrease the value by 3 units. So test it. So 11 minus 3, and that is 8. No problem in that also. And now we're gonna use is this plus multiplication operator, saving with control s, running our HTML file. So 11 into 3, and that is 33. No problem again in that part also. And if we're gonna use next operator, and that is division. So 11 by 3. So now this is giving me 3.6665. So this is how actually the assignment operators are working in JavaScript. Okay, let's check one more example in which we're gonna say prompt, using prompt method. So x equal prompt, write any number, and then we're gonna say white, and that is again the prompt method. Want to increase this value by, okay, and then we're gonna say x plus equal y. Okay, So now we will check this again, x plus equal to y. So we will increasing this value by 2 units, and now we give alert and this x and saving with control S and running our HTML file. So it says write any number, so 12 is my number and want to increase this value by 2 units. So we got 14 in our output. Okay, so this is how actually this assignment operator is working in JavaScript. Okay, so in the next part of the video we will actually discuss the comparison operators and the comparison operator like greater than, less than, equals, like this operator. So in the next part of the video we will discuss about comparison operator. So thanks. So comparison operator are operators like greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, for checking equality, like this. So in the next video we will discuss about it. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel Coding India for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Join my JavaScript for beginners tutorial series. Otherwise, thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you everybody.